Hi everyone, this is Rajendra Babu, your English teacher, and today I am going to discuss with you a topic called Aunt Jennifer's Tigers from Flamingo book. So before going to that, let us discuss about the poet. It was written by Adrienne Rich and she was born in Baltimore, Maryland, United States of America. She struggled a lot to get proper rights to women in those days, and this story was written in the year 1951, that is nearly 69 years back. And at that time, we can imagine the position of a woman in the society. And this poem tells us about the male domination on married women. She focused a lot about the situations faced, the harassment faced by the woman in those days. Now let us go for first stanza. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across a screen. Prance means to jump over in a graceful manner. So to fulfill her desire, it was not Aunt Jennifer. She was unable to fulfill her desires due to the harassment of her husband. So that's why Aunt Jennifer has created some tigers on screen in the form of embroidery. Screen means a wall or a panel. So on that she has created some tigers, and those tigers were prancing, means jumping here and there across a screen. How were the tigers? They were like bright topaz, denizens of a world of green. They were compared with bright topaz. Topaz means just like a precious stone like diamond, which looks in yellowish blue color. Denizens means native or resident. So these bright topaz tigers are the residents of world of green. World of green means forest. So these tigers are the natives of forest. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. So their speciality is that they were fearless. They don't fear for anyone, and they don't fear for men who were under the tree. And these tigers pace. They pace in sleek, chivalric certainty. Sleek means elegant. Chivalric means a male who respects women. So here, by using lot of strength, with lot of strength, the tiger moves here and there on the screen. Even though they were very strong and enough, they give lot of importance and they respect the woman, but husband will not respect the woman. So this is the intention of the poet. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool. So that means here Adrienne Rich, through the character of Aunt Jennifer, she was explaining the problems, harassment faced by a married woman. So here what was happening here? Aunt Jennifer was creating a kind of embroidery. At that time she was unable to move. Fluttering wool means unable to move her fingers. So what was the reason? What happened to her fingers? Find even the ivory needle hard to pull. Really she was struggling a lot. She was struggling a lot, hard to pull, move with great difficulty. So even though it was made of ivory, even though it was ivory needle, she was struggling to pull the ivory needle to the wool. By this we can understand that maybe she was in fear, or maybe her hands or her fingers were struggling due to what? Let us see third line. The massive weight of uncle's wedding band. Massive weight. At the time of marriage, uncle, he has worn a wedding band to her finger. So she felt that not only the husband was harassing, even the massive means very huge wedding band also disturbing her or creating some problem to her fingers to stitch the embroidery. Sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. That means what is sits? Wedding band. Band means strip. Wedding band sits very heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. That's why she was unable to move her fingers. She was unable to stitch properly by using her fingers due to wedding band. Coming to third stanza. When aunt is dead. So here, after the death of aunt, what will happen? Her terrified hands will lie. Even after the death of aunt, her terrified hands, her fearful hands will not do the work properly. Always she used to fear for husband. There will be no change after the death. That was the situation faced by women in those days, especially 1950s. After that, still ringed with ordeals, she was mastered by, ringed with, surrounded by ordeals. Ordeal means kind of troubles, harassments, hardships. That means still she ringed with ordeals, she was mastered by. What were the problems? She was dominated and she was harassed by husband. The tigers in the panel that she made will go on prancing, proud and unafraid. But she did not leave her fear, but the tigers which were fearless will go on prancing. That means they were jumping on her screen with lot of pride and without any afraid. That means, what do you understand by this? Aunt Jennifer, she was explaining her problem by creating tigers in the embroidery. That means she wants to lead a comfortable life with her husband, but it was not fulfilled. She wants to live like a tiger, but it was not fulfilled. That's why she created tigers on embroidery, and she fulfilled her fears by observing the embroidery. Thank you, children.